Hello and welcome to today's composing tip. Now, I'm going to do this in Logic, but it should apply to any DAW. And the point of this tip is explore the tools that are at your fingertips. If this is the sort of thing you like and subscribe is always appreciated, and let your friends know. So this comes from a track that I composed in the real-time composing playlist, the horror nursery rhymes, and specifically the part 2. That was accepted by a library, so they wanted to use it, but the feedback they gave was, could you just make it sound like some of the vocals are coming through a telephone line? Okay, fair enough. This is what the vocal line actually was.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
So whispering, twinkle, twinkle, little star. There were a load of other takes, but specifically that part had been put in different places throughout the cue. And they said it'd actually be even more scary if that sounded like children singing it or whispering it through a phone. So they said, could you put that sort of phone effect on it? Now, you could spend ages and go and research what effect phone lines have on vocals and why different frequencies are boosted, but this is what I mean by make sure you check that you're not making yourself reinvent the wheel. If I open up the default EQ from Logic, a lot of people will just use the bandpass filters, but don't forget there are drop down menus here, and one, for example, okay, so we've got different effects for drums, keys, guitars, horns, voice, mastering, and also EQ tools. And if you look here, there's phone filter notch and phone filter wideband. If I put phone filter notch on, somebody has actually gone and designed a phone filter for you. If I just play this now,
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
brilliant,
How I wonder what
especially when it gets to the end and a little bit scary.
in the sky.
So great job there. So that's today's composing tip. Don't reinvent the wheel, but you'll only know that if you've bothered to look at the different effects and presets that a lot of instruments and plugins come with. So get onto your DAW and have a play around. There's loads of fun stuff you can find. And in the real world, it actually saved me loads of time because all I needed to do was add that effect onto that vocal track, and they loved it and it was accepted into the library. That's it for today. Like and subscribe, always appreciated, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.